Hello boys and girls, Ice Cream Maker here, and today we are taking just a nice chill little ride into the city of Cologne here in the west of Germany. It's a nice weekday. It's been incredibly hot for the whole day. It was like 28, 29 degrees Celsius inside of my room. It was exhausting just sitting inside of it, but now the temperatures have dropped down to a bearable amount and we're taking a nice little evening ride, and I will just shut up for now and let you and myself enjoy the pleasant feeling of a wonderful warm summer night. The wave is nice and green. Too bad, too bad. Luckily he went straight. I don't want to get in any kind of racing. Cologne has been hard on, you know, shutting down that street racing shit. I mean, I can understand that we've had multiple deaths related to it in the past few years, but almost cars only, so. Is this it? No. Here, when I was going to the hospital on my bicycle, I would take the right here. And this intersection, this little train station, metro station right here, this is where I would get off the one and take the one to the right and go to the hospital that I did my voluntary year at. I mean, I hated it back then, but it was nice, you know, coming home and having free time. Nowadays at uni, it's like it's just anxiety 24/7. And I'm unsure in which gear I should really ride in. You know, 2,500 RPMs. It feels kind of odd, but maybe you can hear it. It's a bit weird, but I should. Oh, it is better. Screw that 0.2 litres more fuel. Screw them. This intersection right here is where I collected my second speeding ticket ever. I've only got 2, but this right here was for the second one. I was, you know, in the Fiat 500 and just gunning it, going like 20, just gunning it like this. But instead of, you know, me, you know, cutting at the throttle, it was actually full throttle on the Fiat, and there's a. Did you pass it already? There's a speed camera right there. Went right through it. Was wondering where the flash came from. Was an expensive photo. I wasn't doing much over the speed limit anyways, but like it's like 15 or 20 euros that I had to pay, so not a big deal, but interesting. And this right here is starting to become the city of Cologne, the real, you know, city area. And there used to be a bar when you would go left and then right again, right in the corner. Cubanita. It was nice, like a Cuban-inspired bar. But they closed. I don't know why. Probably went bankrupt or something. It was nice though. Really nice. That's what I hate about the city, you know, traffic light to traffic light. It's nonsense. Partying. Bit of partying. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Remember to indicate all the goddamn time. Shouting everywhere. Girls in the summer, man, always a nice sight. No, I used to do this like every 2-3 weeks, just taking a ride on the Vespa, you know, heading into town. It was chill. I could keep the throttle pinned at all time because it was just going 50 k's, so no issues with that. This bike right here, that's a different story. I hope that the open visor doesn't, you know, let too much wind noise onto the video. But keeping it closed is a bit, you know, warm. With that. No, that ain't police, right? Nah. Please not. I almost ran this red light. I was focusing on the guys in front of me. Oh, driving school! Oh, okay. Well, worse than police. What's that? 125? I have to take my big license test somewhere soon, sometime soon. It's only one practical test though. Probably take a few lessons, maybe one on the bike, to get used to it. Give him a nod. It's been a long time since I've been here. It's probably better that way. As we're catching every red light that there is. Creeping, creeping and crawling. Huh? Huh? Next red light. GG. Jesus. And yeah, on the Vespa it was it was freaking hell. Yeah, every red light, try to find first gear, because in second gear you couldn't take off. Which just eats up your clutch. Let's take a ride right here. To be honest with you, I do not know how quick we can go here. Probably 50. Oh no. But this is the Rhine. Maybe you can see, yeah, the dome is right behind us on the left. Oh, for the police, just keep in mind my speedo is way off. I have to get that checked. Pretty warm still. Just feeling it. Emma's warming up too. A mouse! That's exciting. Autobahn? No. That's the wrong way for me. Köln-Messe-Deutz, another train station. Looks beautiful, I gotta say that. Look at it. A construction site now. But what's that? Kalk. Severinsbrücke. I know where I'm going. Hang a right. Shout for the cyclist. No more cyclists. Let's explore. You know what? I'm trying to get big. Let's see if it is possible. Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Sweet, sweet stuff. Just 50. Just 50.